In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Veo 3 to transform your text and images into captivating videos using an AI generator. It's an innovative tool that can remarkably streamline your video creation process by simply following a few steps, and I'll guide you through the whole procedure. So let's begin by getting started with Google Gemini. First, open Google Gemini and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll first need to create one, but assuming you have, just enter your credentials and you're set to go. Once you've logged in, the next step is to create a new chat. This feature will serve as our workspace for the video generation process, seamlessly facilitating our needs. Now, for those looking to convert text to video, you'll want to navigate to the Tools option within this chat. Here, you'll find various tools at your disposal, but the one we are interested in is titled Create Video with Veo. Go ahead and select this option to proceed to the next phase of the creation process. Once you've clicked on Create Video with Veo, you'll be prompted to write a description of what you want your video to encapsulate. This is your chance to be creative, whether you want an engaging story, an attention-grabbing commercial, or a simple explainer video. It's all about how well you articulate your vision here. The better you can describe what you're aiming for, the more accurate and satisfying the end result will be. Switching gears to transform an image into a video, we begin similarly, but with a slight twist. Instead of starting with text, click the plus icon within your chat to upload an image you'd like to use. This feature allows the AI to use your selected image as the foundation for crafting a dynamic video experience. After your image is uploaded, just as we did with text creation, you'll want to write a prompt describing what you envision for the resulting video. If you have any specific audio instructions or a particular soundtrack you want included in your video, make sure to note this within your prompt. Audio elements can greatly enhance the storytelling aspect of your video, providing a richer experience for viewers. Now that you've set up either your text or image, along with any additional notes, the next step is fairly straightforward. Simply click Generate Video. The AI will commence processing, crafting your media into a remarkable video creation based on your inputs and specifications. Once the process is complete, you'll be able to preview the video. If you're satisfied with the result, the final step is to download the video as an MP4 file. This will allow you to easily share your newly created content across various platforms, or keep it stored for your personal use. And there you have it, a swift and efficient way to generate videos using Google Veo 3, helping you convert ideas into stunning visual content effortlessly. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial, and enjoy creating with this powerful AI tool.